I don't think I'm alone in finding that when you make a lot of money on a particular trade, there is a sense of disappointment at the end of it. Whereas when you've lost money, as long as it's not catastrophic, there is more to chew over, more to understand what's going on in a curious way. It's more interesting. Well, there's a limit to that, obviously, but you take my point. I have very little time for the heroic trader and the heroic trade. I think trading is a job. It's an exacting job. It's a hugely enjoyable job, but that the trading success is doing it day in, day out, week in, week out, year in, year out, making money, taking money from the markets, taking more than you give, and it is not hitting sixes, it's ones and twos. Occasionally a six will come your way, but you won't know which it is until you close the position. Being a successful trader is rather a 9 to 5. The more you can make it a 9 to 5, pragmatic, unemotional, undramatic thing, the better it is and the better trader you are. I would submit that there should be very little emotion in trading. It should be almost, the decisions should be without too much reflection, without too much agonizing. I remember I used to have a team of option market makers on the floor. Whenever I would refer the notion of trading to my senior option market maker on the floor of life, he'd say, well, if you're asking me, you don't really care enough. Or rather, sorry, if you're asking me, the trade probably isn't good enough. And of course he was right. The trades you do, not needing to ask anybody else, are the good trades. And when you want to ask someone else's opinion, nearly always you're not really backing the trade.